Welcome to our SLUBcast, the SLUB Step by Step. As one of the largest academic libraries in Germany, the SLUB is open to everyone who is interested in using its services. Use is also free of charge. In addition to the central library on Zellicher Weg, there are several branch libraries with different areas of focus. For example, the Drehpunkt Makerspace library mainly provides materials for engineers, economists and computer scientists, whereas the SLUB Text Lab on Bebelstraße primarily specializes in educational sciences. Let's take a look at the central library in the 3D model. At the service desk, you can pick up your user card as well as borrow and return materials. If you're having any problems finding something, the service staff here will be happy to help you and answer your questions. The SLUB offers you numerous study spaces with and without PCs. For joint project work, you can book a group study room on our website using your SLUB login. Doing so is free of charge. These group rooms are also equipped with different technical equipment. A description of what equipment is available where can be found on our website. The books are shelved by subject and can be found on all levels in the aptly named open access areas. In addition, Level 0 contains the textbook collection with introductory literature to all subject areas. Level -1 houses the media library, containing the audio-visual media collection. Besides that, Level -1 is where our journal collections are located. The photographic collection and the map collection are located on Level -2. Anyone who is at least 14 years old can register at the SLUB. After filling out the online registration form, you will receive a 6-character code. Bring this code and your ID card or passport to one of our service desks during service hours to pick up your personal SLUB card. Non-EU citizens need to show their certificate of residency. Individuals under the age of 16 must also provide a copy of a parent's or legal guardian's ID, alongside a signed letter of consent. Alternatively, you can send us the requested documents as a scan by email. You will receive a temporary user number and can already use all our digital services. On your next visit to the SLUB, you can replace this dummy number with a normal one by asking for a SLUB card at the service desk. With this card, you can borrow materials at all SLUB libraries. The user login initially consists of the user number and your date of birth. You can change this password in your personal library account. Borrowing is possible at either the self-service checkout machines or the service desks. To use the checkout machines, you first have to assign yourself a 4-digit PIN in your user account. The loan period is 28 days. You can extend the loan period up to 5 times by yourself via your user account, as long as no other user has reserved the item. We also accept renewal requests by email, SLUB chat or telephone. You can return borrowed items during opening hours at the self-check-in machines in the central library, or during service hours at the service desks in all SLUB locations. All items in our collections can be searched for in the SLUB catalog. In the search panel you can, for example, enter a title and author of a book or adjust thematic keywords. You can limit your results list by using a variety of search filters. Click on a result to view a detailed overview of that title. Here you will find all the information you will need about it. On the right-hand side, you can see the number of available copies. To help with orientation, a 3D model highlighting the exact location of the items can be found directly underneath. Scroll down to find the list of individual copies. Here, you can see at which SLUB location and in which section you can find the item you need. The call number or shelf mark tells you where the item is located on the shelves. If you click on the link, the 3D model will open, and you will be shown the exact location of the item on a map. The shelf number is also provided in the 3D model. However, if you do not want to scour the whole shelf, the call number or shelf mark that indicates the location on the shelf is the best way to find the requested items quickly. The status indicates whether the book is available for loan or can only be used in-house. If an item is already on loan, it can be reserved using the catalog. The copies from the closed stacks are marked in yellow and can be ordered for use. You can recognize digital media by the small arrow on the right. You can access the full text version via this arrow or via the details page. TU members can also access digital media from home. To search for digital full text that you can also access remotely, we recommend using the Open Access filter. You will find it to the right of your results list. In your user account, you will find the menu options Change Password and PIN for Machines. You can also manage your loans, orders, and reservations here. You can extend the loan periods using the checkboxes. The user account shows which reservations and orders from the closed stacks are ready for collection and where they can be picked up. SLUB Wi-Fi is available to users at all SLUB locations. University members can use their ID to log in to the EduRoam network. All other users can connect to the SLUB network with their SLUB login. Please consult our website for more information on numerous other services, such as e-tutorials and workshops. We also offer individual consultations at our knowledge bar.